So we're heading south on the Valley of the Gods road. And I'm trying to find, you know, good pull-offs to, yeah, like here's one. So I can set up and, you know, drone a little bit. Try to get this one. Okay. It's a rocky entry, but look at this, you know, plateau you gotta be on. Nice. So I just took what I hope is some good drone footage of that rock there. Trying to see what the name of it is. Nah, I can't see it. I'm sure it's named. But I did a 360 around it, and I think it came out pretty good. We'll find out. Fantastic views all around. Keep your eyes on the road here. Going to have shelf roads here. So I just exited the Valley of the Gods onto 163, and I'm going to go down and take a look at the Goosenecks Overlook at Goosenecks State Park. It's, I don't know, a few minutes from here. And then I'm going to go down and hopefully drone the Mexican Hat rock formation. We'll see how it goes. I have a full battery left, so I should be able to do it. Anyway, it's been a good day. Had a great time in, videoing Mexican Hat and in visiting Goosenecks State Park. And now I'm heading back to the Valley of the Gods to load the scrambler and head back to Moab for this evening, and then start heading home tomorrow. I've been here for almost 2 weeks, and this place still just really astounds me. So we're heading back to camp. Actually, it's not much of a camp anymore. We're heading back to the car to load the motorcycle. I packed up this morning so that I could do my ride today and then just come back and load the scrambler and head back to Moab. Oh, when will I ever get to do this again? I don't know. Maybe never. But I sure enjoyed getting to do it this time. There's my campsite. And there's the pilot waiting to load up. Head on back to Moab. Yeah, I think that ought to hit it.